You've probably heard this rule before: save 20% of your income. It sounds simple, it sounds responsible, but for a lot of people, it feels impossible. Today, we're answering the question people are afraid to ask: how much should you really be saving each month? And the answer might surprise you. Money Café was calm, but thoughtful. Sam was doing mental math, Mia was staring at a budgeting app, Leo looked frustrated, saving was on everyone's mind. Sam finally said it. I keep hearing I should save more, but I feel like I'm failing. He wasn't reckless, he wasn't irresponsible, he was comparing himself to a rule that didn't match his life. Percentages sound clean, but life isn't. Fixed saving rules ignore income differences, living costs, debt, emergencies, seasons of life. A rule that creates guilt is a bad rule. There's no universal right percentage. Anyone telling you otherwise is oversimplifying reality. The real question isn't, how much should I save? It's, what can I save consistently? Mr. Carter leaned back. Saving depends on your season of life, he said. Early career, raising a family, paying off debt, recovering from a setback. Each season has a different answer. Some seasons are about survival, some are about rebuilding, some are about growth. Trying to save aggressively in a survival season creates burnout, and burnout kills progress. Mia realized she was holding herself to a standard that didn't fit. Once she adjusted her target, saving stopped feeling like punishment and started feeling possible. Instead of a saving goal, set a saving floor, a minimum you protect even in tough months. It might be $25 a week, $100 a month, or even less. The amount matters less than the habit. Small savings do something powerful. They keep the habit alive, and habits compound. When life improves, the habit is already there. Leo tried saving aggressively during a tight season. It lasted 2 months, then he quit completely. Extreme plans don't survive real life. Increase saving when debt pressure drops, income rises, stress decreases. Saving should stretch you, not suffocate you. Good saving feels boring, quiet, stable, not dramatic. That's how you know it's sustainable. Let's recap. There's no perfect percentage. Saving is seasonal. Set a floor, not a fantasy. Consistency beats intensity. Next time at Money Café, Sam gets a raise and somehow still feels stressed. We're talking lifestyle inflation and why more money doesn't feel better. I'll see you in Season 2, Episode 5.